Hey y'all, Chef Guidance here. Today I'm making my mama's famous Coke-Battered fried chicken. We're going to start by marinating our chicken wings and thighs in about 4 cans of Coke, some herbs, some Cajun seasoning, and some salt. We're going to let it marinate for about 2 days. Just listen to that Coca-Cola pop. Next, we're going to finely mince up some fresh dill. Put that in there with our chicken too. Go ahead and let that stir up with that herbs and that salt, y'all. Like, this smells so good. It tastes real good. If you ain't never tried it, you missing out. I'm gonna just throw those in there, because. All right, so let's do our dry batter. We got some flour, Cajun seasoning, chili powder, cardamom. Don't sleep on that cardamom. Coconut sugar, and also some cornstarch. We're gonna mix that in there real good. Wet batter. Okay, you got some eggs. Gonna go in with our heavy cream and about 2 cans of Coke and a little bit more of that cornstarch. So now it's time to fry up our chicken. Got the grease nice and hot. Look at that nice thigh, evenly coated in our wet and dry batter, and into the grease it goes. Hot and crispy. Beautiful. And I'm gonna go ahead and fry up our wings. My son is making our mac and cheese. He's adding in some cheddar. Good job, son. Let him do that while I get back to our chicken. Oh yes. So I'm hitting the chicken with a nice sprinkle of coconut sugar right when it comes out the fryer, when it's still fresh and hot. All right, look at my baby's mac and cheese, and he's sprinkling some Cajun seasoning on top. Go ahead, baby.
Thanks, Mom.
All right, we're gonna start frying the green beans with some butter and salt. All right, son, pour in your beans. Nice. Let him fry those up till they've got a nice golden brown crisp to them. A little balsamic vinegar. Yes. The butter and balsamic and Cajun seasonings. Got another thigh coming out fresh and hot. We're gonna sprinkle it with our coconut sugar while it's still hot. Woo! All right, our chicken is done. We're gonna top it with some fresh cilantro. A sprinkle of Cajun seasoning. Then a little bit of that finishing salt. Just a little. We don't want it too salty, but you want to be able to see that flaky, coarse sea salt. All right, y'all, there we go. Coke-Battered fried chicken. My mama's favorite. Let's get some on a plate with our side dishes. And there we go, our finished plate. Got our mac and cheese, Coke-Battered fried chicken, and grilled green beans. Bon appetit. Join us next time for another soul food recipe straight from my mama's kitchen to yours.